Hello traders, welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. If you're new to this channel, we are a channel focusing on passing a Apex funding evaluation in order to get funded with them. I'm going for 3 accounts at the same time. I trade live every day, so hit subscribe and click on the little bell so you know when I go live. Alright, so I'm gonna put I'm gonna put a link to the full stream. If you do decide to watch that, skip to minute 35 because I had some audio issues and audio only starts at 35. So in the beginning of every stream, I'm gonna go over scenarios. I'm gonna go over possible targets, and that's what I was doing. You can't hear it, but I'm doing that. So on the long side, long targets, I had 39.50, I had 39.75 and a 4,000. To the downside, shorts, I had yesterday's support, which was 3,900, and then yesterday's target, which was 38.87, and then finally 38.60. Right out of the gate, the market just ripped up. Gotta admit, if I wasn't streaming, I would have taken that, but because I have to make sure that the stream is not down and this and that, it takes a little bit away of the focus. Sorry if I look away, but I have to look at a video in order to narrate the trades. So you see here that I have a blue arrow, and the blue arrow is that I'm starting to look for a pullback. I started to see weakness after it hit 39.50, but I did overthink the whole thing, and trying to pass a evaluation, so I did take too long to place the short. The short, I placed it at 39.48. I didn't get filled, as you'll see, and I didn't want to chase it either. So after a few minutes, I just deleted the short. Then the market hit the yellow lines, which are my EMAs. So then I started to look for a long, a pullback to IB. All of this purple box here, that's the IB. So I took a long, and my target was a high volume node right above IB. It didn't go there, it bounced off of IB, came back down, and it took me out. The brown line is the overnight high. I started to notice that there was some weakness there and it couldn't pass. So then I decided to take a long again to IB. So here I am waiting, and I do put the trade on. I did get a little scared and I lowered it because by this time I'm -1 trade. I'm -91. So I do raise the stop to entry, and I do lower a little bit her target. There's a glitch here in the video that the trade repeats itself, but all I took was 3 trades all day. So here I started to notice that it couldn't pass IB. It hit IB 4 times. So then I started to look for a short once it was at the overnight high again. So I placed a short. I had in mind 3,900, and also had in mind the green line, which is the overnight value area. I decided to go for the overnight value area because I'm trying to pass a evaluation, and the reason that I have 3 accounts is to lower my risk. So then I don't have to stay in a trade too long, and I don't have to over leverage myself. So by the end of this last trade, I was positive 295 after commissions. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the recap. Don't forget to click on the little notification so you can follow me. But I did trade on my own afterwards, and I did take a short from 98 all the way to 75. So I did make some money afterwards. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.